Good day, ma'am. I'm Rojan Alahas. This is my presentation of my product. My product is a homemade donut. This AC bread donuts recipe is a simple method for making fresh homemade donuts using your bread, a tasty combination of flour, yeast, and sugar, and you will have a homemade donuts in no time. Competitive pricing for donuts can be based on a number of factors, including the cost of production, competitor price, and the desired return on investment. Competitor price: research your competitors to see what price they are charging for similar products. Here are some others to consider when setting price for donuts. Yes, donuts are generally more affordable than cake donuts. Innovation: manufacturers are constantly developing new flavors, filling, and toppings for donuts. The ingredients of donut homemade. Sugar donuts. This simple homemade donut dough is made with flour, milk, egg yolks, yeast, and sugar. Then the donuts are drilled in sugar. This recipe is easy to make and produce a very indulgent little treat. Make it once and you'll never use a different recipe for donuts. It's so good. Once again, thank you, mom.